Start the PCC software, and OK the warning pop-up, to acknowledge you are aware of the risks of working on a fire alarm system. Open your site project. Expand the panel configuration and the devices tree out fully. And select the loop of devices you wish to make changes to. The loop configuration window will open. The SD devices, the ZP755 sounders have the same first four options with address, device type, description and control as previously seen. The op mode allows the operational type of the sounder to be changed. The default sounder op mode will allow the device to be put into a sounder output group, which means it can be silenced and resounded. The programmable op mode allows the device to be put into a programmable output group, making it only stop when the panel is reset. The other op modes shown are all the automatically activated output groups of the panel, which are fire, fault, test, disable and extinguishing. Only the sounder and programmable op modes can be user controlled with cause and effect. It is very rare the op mode ever needs to be changed. Once the op mode has been set, the output group field allows you to move the sounder into the output group required. If you have multiple devices to put into an output group, then the output group configuration option is the easier process. The sounder properties allows you to set what tone the sounder will output when activated in several modes. The ZP755 sounders can operate with several tones, a primary evacuation tone, which is the 1 or on option displayed, and a secondary warning tone, which is the 2 option. The tones that the sounder can be set up to give are listed on their installation sheets. The other numbers, 4 to 32, are not used with ZP2 protocol devices. You can set the tone to be used when the sounder is tested. Send a warning tone command, an evacuation command, and when the school bell command is sent. The last option is if the sounder is to respond to a school bell command input. If there is a ZP755 sounder slave to any detector sharing the same address, the BS option is used to configure this by setting it to yes. The BS options also allows for some configuration of the sounder to be done. The type of sounder can be changed to SDMS, which is the ZP755BV sounder. Using the SDMS in the BS mode gives you the ability to disable the detector or the sounder even though they share the same address. The other fields are as previously described. Please be aware that because the sounder is sharing an address with the detector and in slave mode, you cannot change the tone of the sounder. The tone settings should not be adjusted away from. The 2.0 device is the A50E and A51E relay devices. The standard options remain the same as before. The op mode, as with the sounders, allows you to adjust what output group type the device should be in. The tones listed do not have any effect on the unit as it is not a sounder and should not be changed. If required, you can select to activate the unit during class change.